Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out a tie-dye t-shirt. A frozen popsicle tie-dye t-shirt. It's 30 degrees outside. Needless to say, we're gonna be washing inside. We have hot water in the hose, so we thought about doing it out there with like warm water, but it's snowing, so.
It's just a little too cold.
Yeah, not just like, if it was snowing, we were gonna do it, but it's not just snowing, it's like sleeting. So you can hear the ice hitting the top of the awning out there. A little too brutal to wash out outdoors, but we're not gonna leave y'all without a washout today. So we're gonna get it inside with some medium cool water and start to get it unbanded after we get it rinsed off a little bit. So we're still gonna do the same rinsing process, we're just gonna do it inside 100%. And if you watch the shorts, drop a comment below and let me know. I thought about doing them a little differently. Let me know if you'd like to see a test format change there or not.
I don't know what this is about to look like, so.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Well, thank you for the encouragement.
Getting it unbanded. Look at all those beautiful colors in there.
This was the tricolor bullseye.
Yep.
So let's see how that ended up.
I like that blue. This baby blue, right?
No, I think I used turquoise on it.
Got a little splatter, but not too bad. Hold on, let me wipe it real quick. There you go. Nice and clean for the paper.
I don't know, I think this one turned out pretty good.
It looks pretty nice. Got a little bit of white left in there. Looks pretty good to me. Y'all ready to see what we got?
Wow.
Ooh, nice.
That's really pretty.
That is really cool. Look at that. Good definition, good range. Oh yeah. I like that a lot.
Turned out great.
Look at that, people.
That turned out wonderful.
Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice.
Couldn't have planned it better myself.
Yep.
Alright, so this one's ready to go.
Flip shot. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay. Got really good definition on it. Look at that. All the way across to the sleeve. This is that nice, beautiful pastel neon rainbow bullseye. Pastel rainbow bullseye. Look at that turquoise and baby blue in there, looks real good. Oh yeah. Wonderful pattern indeed. Both sides came out pretty good. Backs of the sleeves, oh yeah. Nice. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.